It's okay, you can do it by practicing every day, every single day. You need to practice because it's a language. For the exam, I finished the prediction file from the portal. Like I would say approximately 80%, 90% I finished prediction file. I was practicing every day from morning. Yeah, I'm so happy now.
Do you want to know how we did it? Stay tuned till the very end of the part. Are the new questions coming more difficult? Are they coming more grammar based when it comes to reading? Everything will be covered, so stay tuned till the very end. But if you're new to our channel and you have not subscribed, make sure that you do that, because we are going to come up with lot of updated content for PTE students, for PTE aspirants, especially the new material. So if you have not subscribed, this is the time to do it now. Before we move on, if you have any questions like these ones, you can put it in the comment section, and I personally try to reply every single comment. So don't feel shy. You can put your doubt in the comment section and I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. Congratulations, Lana. It took 4 months, right?
Yeah.
We started from the scratch and then we gave only one attempt, but after 4 months we got our scores.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm so happy now. I'm relieved.
What was the major important thing which you could say and share to the students, that why it took 4 months firstly, but were these 4 months helpful, right? Because you used to come almost every single day, right? So were they helpful in your getting desired scores in your day-to-day preparation?
Yeah, because like I started from scratch to improve my English. Like I know basics in English, but I need to improve my language.
Right.
So I wanted to attempt this for my admissions in the university. So I wanted this.
Yes.
So you need to be like support yourself and motivate yourself every day to practice English to improve your language.
Right.
It will help in the exam.
And you were also sharing your experience in the labs, right? So did you feel that the 4 months which we spent in getting a scores, right? Were they helpful in the labs?
Sure, I was practicing every day from morning, like evening, and practicing about spellings, listening, speaking, everything.
Yes.
And give mock every week.
Every single week.
Yeah, the mock test here in the
Yes.
lab. So it helped me a lot.
Right. And I also remember when I checked few of your mocks, we were improving, right?
Yeah.
We could see the improvement
Yeah, from the scratch.
from the scratch.
Yeah.
What do you have to say to the students who are also stuck? What do you have to share to them? What do you have to say to them?
It's okay, you can do it by practicing every day, every single day. You need to practice because it's a language. You
Yes.
need to practice it. You need to practice it with people around you. So I was able to practice it here in the lab also, when I speak to my tutors, students, and practicing questions, speaking, listening, reading, writing. So yeah, for sure.
And on top of this, I also believe that the consistency, right?
Yes.
Which you showed was, I think, amazing,
For
right?
sure.
And I think one important factor over here is that you started from scratch. Now you got 73 in reading, and we only gave one attempt, right? We did not waste our money. We did not waste our time in giving multiple attempts. When we knew that we are ready, then we sat for the exam.
For the exam, like I finished the prediction file from the portal.
Yes.
Like I would say approximately 80%, 90% I finished the
Right.
prediction file. For writing easy keywords,
Yes.
I was practicing every day about easy keywords to get the knowledge. Important sentence I need to know. So whatever I got in the exam about anything, any topic in the exam, I can manage it with my own words,
Yes.
my own sentences. So it helped me a lot.
Right.
Also the templates
Yes.
helped me a lot. Reading list from the portal. I was practicing every day about my spellings errors and get dictation every day about writing.
Yes.
To have
More knowledge.
more words in
Yes.
English. It will help you also in reading.
Correct.
You need to get to read everyday words in English.
I think very well said. All the best for your future endeavors, Lana, and I would want to wish you congratulations again. You have done amazing job. Inspiration for a lot of students. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir.